When the craving for something sweet hits, there's nothing more satisfying than a thick, yummy milkshake. But even better is the fact that these milkshakes are packed with nourishing ingredients so they taste great, but make you feel great too. Brooke Harmer is here sharing a rare 3 or 4 variations of these protein milkshakes. But what I gotta know, how are the protein milkshakes different from a protein shake that we're so used to?
Well, traditional protein shakes are made with protein powder and either milk or water, and they're dissolved in a blender bottle. But since these are milkshakes, there's ice cream and then some sort of thickening agent. We're either gonna do frozen fruits or vegetables, and then of course your favorite mix-ins like chocolate chips or crushed cookies.
Okay, this is fun because if you're looking down here, you'll see we've got cauliflower on our table, plus some fruits, which we're used to, but the cauliflower, that's the secret ingredient, right? Yeah. Okay, let's walk through, and you're gonna start us off with a cookies and cream protein milkshake.
Yes.
Okay, what's going into this one? Okay,
so first we need the liquids. So go ahead and grab that spoon right there.
Yep.
So the secret here is Halo Top ice cream. This is a low sugar, high protein ice cream. They've got lots of different flavors. So we're gonna go ahead.
This is where we're getting our protein? Or do we also have protein powder? Okay, so we're doing both.
Yes. So we're gonna go ahead and do our ice cream because it is a milkshake, right?
And see, I'll be able to actually tell my kids we're using ice cream because when I say I'm making you a protein shake, they're like, that's not really a milkshake, Mom. Yeah.
Yeah, so there actually is ice cream in here, I promise. And then why don't you go ahead and add this yogurt.
Okay.
So this is non-fat vanilla.
Can I use your spoon?
Yeah.
Okay. This
is non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt. This also adds a boost of protein. And this is actually going to help balance out the iciness of the cauliflower.
Oh.
So this is my secret to getting you to not know that there's cauliflower in there. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and add our protein powder.
Is that just vanilla flavored?
It is.
Okay.
My favorite brand actually has cookies and cream protein powder.
Oh, okay.
So you can do that for this one as well, but if you just have vanilla on hand.
Yeah, that works too.
That works great. Yeah.
All right, what else is going in here?
Then we're gonna do the ever so slightest drop of almond extract.
Ooh, okay.
This kind of mimics the cookie flavor that we're going for. So it's totally optional, but you do need to be very dashing.
Okay, I can do a dash.
And you're a baker,
I'm
so
pretty good
you know
with the
how to do a dash.
dash. I actually will sometimes just get a little bit measured in my cap.
Ooh, there
so
you
I
go.
don't go too much.
Perfect.
So then we've got just a little drizzle.
I love it.
Okay.
Okay, and then lastly we have the cauliflower.
And now is this frozen, fresh? Oh, it sounds frozen. That sounds like ice cream.
Frozen, yeah, because we want it to be nice and thick and we want it to be cold. You can do either cauliflower florets or cauliflower rice, but it's the same amount either way, so it's just a cup.
Okay. Fantastic.
Frozen cauliflower.
Do we actually put cookies in here too?
We will mix them in at the end.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes, but we do have cookies that go on top.
I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm very excited to try all of these. I actually have all my straws ready to go, so you just tell me when.
We are ready to go. Okay, brace yourself.
Okay, it's gonna get loud.
I don't know if it's...
Are we turned on?
I don't know if it's turned on.
Did we get unplugged? Oh, because we're not unplugged. Hold on. The magic of TV sometimes. There we go. Okay.
Okay, is that on?
Yes, we're here.
Okay, perfect. It might take a second to blend.
Do we need a really high-powered one? Or kind of any blender is gonna work?
I actually have one of those that work upside down, the Ninja Bullet.
Okay.
So I do that at home. This one's great too.
All right, let's check this out. There we go.
And since there is cauliflower florets instead of rice, we're actually going to need to kind of
help it out a little bit.
Scrape down the sides a little bit. I promise there's enough liquid in here and it will all blend together. You'll never know there's cauliflower. It just needs a little bit of help.
Okay, so that's good to know because I, at this point, would probably get a little nervous and add milk or something. Yeah. But you're saying don't. We had enough liquid between the ice cream and our yogurt that we should be fine that it'll blend enough.
You know what, live TV, I forgot a little bit of milk. Go ahead and do half of the milk that's in there.
Half of the milk.
I lied. We do need a little bit of milk.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay, that should
All right, let's get that one ready. And then there's so many good flavors over here.
I know, they're all amazing.
All right, there we go.
There we go,
Look at that. I can always taste test with that too.
I know, right, those are all ready to go.
I'm ready to dig in. Look at that, that's really nice and smooth. Okay, I'm gonna have you turn it up. You can really see everything blend in there, so there's not the cauliflower pieces, but I'm just gonna double check and make sure. Ooh, oh, yum.
And of course, you can't forget the cookies.
And you get just a little bit of the almond extract. I love that idea.
Just a nice little touch for the cookies.
And it's so creamy compared to like the protein shake that we usually do.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
Let's try to do another one, and then I'm just gonna go stand by the milkshakes and eat while we close in just
please.
a minute here. All right, which one do you wanna do next? Because I know we have chocolate-covered strawberries. You have one that's like a Dairy Queen knockoff?
That's the strawberry one.
Let's do that one, okay.
Okay, yeah. So it's basically the same thing. We're gonna do, let's do this 1/4 cup of milk right here in this little measuring cup. Do you see that one? Right there, go ahead and add that.
All right, we've got our milk measured. Oops, sorry. Okay. Could we do almond milk if maybe we have a lactose?
This is almond milk.
You said this was almond milk.
Yep,
oh, my apologies.
this is almond milk. And then we've got our protein powder.
Am I doing more yogurt here?
This one actually doesn't need yogurt,
okay.
Believe it or not. We do need a serving of our ice cream,
Let me get you a clean spoon since I just ate off of that one.
Perfect.
I mean, I'm gonna probably eat this one too.
Oh, this one is my absolute favorite. I actually developed this one for my lactation cookbook that I just released because I wanted breastfeeding moms to have a healthy dessert that would also boost their milk supply.
Okay, and we've only got a few more seconds, so we're also putting some frozen strawberries in here. Do we do the cauliflower in this one, or is this acting as our, like, that cold agent, like ice?
Yep, this one is nice and thick.
And is that one of the ones we have shown over here too?
Yeah, that's this one. You're gonna top it with chopped dark chocolate with some sea salt.
Excuse me while I come over here.
Should we blend?
Gonna take my sip. You know, I just gotta test it like with my kids, make sure it's not like poisonous or anything.
This one is my absolute favorite.
Oh my gosh. That tastes like a strawberry milkshake. No one's gonna even know that that is actually like a healthy
There's
shake.
like 5 grams of sugar and 32 grams of protein.
Okay.
So.
Oh my gosh, Brooke, where can we get more recipes from you?
You can follow me at Kapai Cooking on Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, all the good stuff.